Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to open SWF files in Chrome after Flash Shutdown. So, let's talk about the issue at hand. If you've tried to open SWF files in recent times, you might have noticed a roadblock. Since Adobe Flash Player was officially discontinued, many have struggled to view SWF files, which include those nostalgic games, interactive presentations, and legacy animations. But don't worry, because today we're going to tackle this challenge head-on with a simple and effective method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open SWF files directly in Google Chrome without the need for cumbersome standalone software. Let's get started. First, we need to begin by opening up your Google Chrome browser. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or within your Start menu. If it isn't immediately visible, just type Chrome in your computer's search bar, and you should see it pop up. We're specifically using Chrome here because it's one of the most widely used browsers, and it supports extensions, which are crucial for this process. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate over to google.com. You can do this by entering google.com directly into the address bar at the top, or by searching for Google if it's not your default homepage. Starting at Google might seem like a basic step, but it ensures we are all on the same page and is the quickest way to proceed. Now that you're on Google, type Chrome Store into the search bar. This might seem like an extra step, but searching through Google is a reliable way to ensure you're accessing the latest and safest version of the Chrome Web Store. Plus, if you ever forget the direct URL, Google will always lead you back. After hitting enter, take a look at the search results and select the official Chrome Web Store link, which should be right at the top. You'll know it's legitimate if the web address starts with chromegoogle.com/webstore. It's crucial to visit the real Chrome Web Store to avoid any malicious lookalikes. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, look for the Extensions section. You can find this on the left side of the screen or towards the top. Click on Extensions to filter your search, allowing us to focus solely on browser extensions, which are handy little tools that add extra features to Chrome. In the search bar within the Extensions section, type Flash Player. What we're doing here is looking for a Flash Player extension that can emulate or enable SWF content. Since Adobe no longer supports Flash, we're relying on community-created tools and emulators. Some names you'll come across might include Flash Player Emulator or Ruffle. These extensions allow you to run SWF files much like back in the day, taking the time to read through descriptions and user reviews to ensure you choose a trustworthy extension with good ratings. Once you've found the one that seems reliable, click on it, then select Add to Chrome. You may experience a brief pause during installation, and a prompt might appear asking for confirmation. Approve the installation, and the extension will be added to your browser. And there you have it. With the Flash Player extension set up, you're now ready to open SWF files directly in Chrome. Simply navigate to an SWF file online, or drag and drop a local SWF file into your Chrome window, and the extension should do the work for you. If nothing happens immediately, look for any extension icons in the corners of Chrome, and manually activate the Flash Player on the page. Don't fret if it doesn't work perfectly at first. You might need to refresh the page or try a different extension if you encounter issues. There are several options available, so feel free to experiment if you hit a snag. That's it for this tutorial on how to open SWF files in Chrome after Flash Shutdown. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.